Today we will be installing this irrigation system into this container garden. The first step is to drill a 1/4 inch hole about an inch from the top on both sides of the container so you can zip tie the irrigation line in. Pick up the plastic pieces that you can because this does not biodegrade. Using a stick and a zip tie, terminate the end of the 1/2 inch irrigation hose. After that, start zip tying the hose to the barrel. I would start with the longest side, so for me that would be the outside, and work your way all the way around. When you zip tie the line and tighten the zip tie, make sure that you do not crush the line, because that will affect your water pressure and how much comes out to the buckets down the stream. The next step is to install a 20 psi pressure regulator onto my timer, and in order to do that I will Teflon tape the threads so they don't leak. Now that we have the regulator installed, I'm going to give the line some slack, cut it, and then insert it. Now we just do the same with the inside. Okay, the next step is to test to make sure that nothing leaks. As you can see, this one leaks, so I had to add another zip tie to it, but now it's all good. The next step is to take one of these puncture tools and puncture the line, and then insert the barb. Also, make sure that the line's depressurized first, otherwise it will squirt you in the face like it did the first one to me. Now that we got a 1/4 inch barb in the 1/2 inch line, we want to give plenty of room in our 1/4 inch line and then cut it. Now that we have our bubbler attached to the line, we want to put it somewhere close-ish to the middle, but not too close, and we will adjust it later. Now that I have all of the bubblers attached to my garden and turned to 1/2 turn open, I'm going to turn both of the sides on at the same time and adjust the bubbler from the back to the front. Okay, now that I have all of the bubblers adjusted to about the same, I can set the timer up for whatever interval I want. I believe I'm going to do 2 minutes twice a day at 6 a.m. and 6 p.m.